at this, look at this, look at this. Look at this, look at this. I got it. Our table just lifted and moved. Quiet, quiet.
A train coming in.
Look at the clouds going down and getting darker in that corner. What in the world? That's over towards Shay and Dawn's. There's a house. We're starting to get to the part where it's not good. See the house? Lost a tree. Look at that. They can't go down there. You can't go down there. It's an 18-wheeler that survived, but the tree didn't.
Look at that tree.
Mm.
Can you see that?
Yep.
And
this truck was hit by the tree. Look back here. This is where it starts getting bad. Look over here. Look over there. Look over there. Look over there. And this is after they've cleaned up.
And look at that tree over there.
They cleaned up last night. I'm trying to get the roads. Look at all the brush. Keep going down that farther.
This way.
Is that dead end? No, go down there. Watch out, don't hit me. The fence is gone. Look at that tree. Oh, it hit the car.
That would have been a good picture.
Look at that one. That one's on the roof. That one landed on their roof. That took out all their...
Just dig it right out of the ground.
Those are not pines.
Look at that pine tree. The pine tree, the way he broke it. Look.
Yep. Just took it off.
And the poor car right there. Yeah.
Look at that on the next their neighbors. They've got a...
The insurance company is going to be sending their adjusters. What do you call those guys?
Yeah, out here. Those trees. Look at that tree. This street was one street away from the tornado. One street. We just talked to the guy. Bad. If you look down here, you can see. When we look right down that path, you can see if you go there where it came down.
Give me the camera for a second.
Go down one more street.
Oh, there's the path of the tornado.
Straight across. Come down one more street. We'll be right here. These guys are lucky. Look at this.
The roofing company is going to have more than... You want to walk down there?
Oh my gosh.
Let's park right here. Let's park right here.
Yeah. Come right here. This is where it went through.
Yeah, but my son, he gonna put his...
I got the tree in their front yard.
They were not blocking the street, really. They were just...
Yeah. Did you?
You keep on recording and I'll come and get you.
It's alright.
Huh? Look at the house right there.
Look at this.
Look at that house. She took the roof out.
Oh my gosh. No roof on that house. Look at this. No back window. Look at this. Unbelievable. That pine tree. Talk about close. Look at that roof. There you go. That's the worst part right there. Right behind these guys' house. Unbelievable. That's brick. Look at that. So much for brick houses. It twisted this whole house off its foundation. Do you see that? totally destroyed. The trees totally destroyed. Twisted off its foundation. Look at this house across the street. Just a few shingles. Okay, look across here. That goes back over to MacArthur Road. Can you see it? Unbelievable. This is literally half a mile from our house. Basically, these are my neighbors. Look at this. This whole house was twisted off its foundation. Look at that. That's what's left of somebody's house. Insulation. Windows. The insulation up there in the trees. The birds are singing. Look at the path. Straight through here. Thank goodness most of this was woods back here. Look, somebody's sweater on the tree over there. You see it? It's like attached to the tree. Look at this. This is somebody's house. What's left of it. Look, CDs. Just saw an ornament. Look. Just people's lives. That's a photo album. See? It's a photo album. Air pump. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. There's a fan, part of a fan. Look at this. Part of somebody's house. Up in the tree. Piece of wood. Just amazing. Did you go to the end? Yeah. Is it pretty bad?
Well, you can see the
You can see the path. That's MacArthur Road we were going across the other day when we first realized that this hit over here.
Look at you see the some of the.
Wow. This house apparently lost its roof, but they tarped it last night. Trying to get some kind of roofing on here. Look at this here. These guys lost their garage, some siding, but the rest of the house stood. These guys lucky because it's like a war zone down here. Look at this. Jeez Louise. Look at this guy's frame.
Do you see how many pine trees came around this house?
I know, and the house is still standing. Isn't that that's like God was protecting them. I mean, they got a little damage, but look how many pines fell around that house. This is amazing.
Look at that one over there.
That's the path back there.
I mean, baby. That's the power of God right there.
It's like a war zone. Looks like a war zone, doesn't it? That's the bottom of a pine tree that fell over. Look at this guy's house. You can see right into his house. This poor neighborhood. They got it bad. This is our next door neighbors, basically. They're what, about a half mile maybe from us? Almost a half mile now. This is behind our house.
That's MacArthur.
That's MacArthur. My
Yeah,
God.
the ambulance that we saw yesterday
Was right there, yeah. Unbelievable. And this tornado went from the other side of town, the other side of Fort Bragg, all the way down here. It kept going across Pine Forest.
This is where Highway 295 is, so guys
Yeah.
decided to help a little bit.
I was going to say, this is the path of the new 295. They had already purchased all the houses back here, and all these houses that were in here last year have been demolished for the 295. Can you imagine if they hadn't have been? These people were blessed, even though they didn't want to move. This is Janet Ramirez reporting live from Fayetteville, North Carolina. This is April 17th, one day after the devastating tornado that hit our community. Notice over to my right, all the destruction. This is the College Lakes area, back there, half a mile from my house. You can see how it took out most of the houses on this road. All these trees went down. Back over here. The good thing is that this area used to have more houses in it, but 295 was coming through and they bought them out
Yeah.
last year. Look at that. You can
Where?
see MacArthur Road. People traveling on MacArthur Road. It went all the way across town. It hit the All-American Freeway. It hit Murkinson Road. It hit Yadkin Road, Morganton Road, Riley Road. This is a big tornado.
So back to you, Oscar.
Back to you. Listen to the geese.
This is just...
It's amazing. I mean, this is happening.
It's a gigantic tree. It's just like somebody just pull them out. Like no big deal. Just got to show up yesterday.
All right, we gotta go to church. This is the amazing one. There is trees, about maybe 30 trees that fell around it. That house is still standing. Minimal damage. Believe it or not, that is a street. There's houses down there.
Right here, look. Can you get this one right here?
It's a tree landing on his roof. Oh. It's amazing. I don't know. See how blessed we are? This is our house. Not a half a mile away. The only thing we lost? One little branch. Our sign is still there.